see, I kind of had to do some cleaning up around here. So the cleaner it is, the more organized it is, the more motivated I am. I even have a little spot to sit. I'm kind of gonna make this my home here. I got a lot to mill. So let's go over to this thing. This is the LT50. So I'm at 2,800 pounds on this here chain tensioner, so I'm going to run it a little bit loose. It's been a while since I ran this thing, so I'm just going to start it up and engage the clutch here. Ran pretty good, so I'm just going to tighten it up, just back up to 2,800 pounds, or actually I'll put it on 3,000 pounds. I'll fire it up again, and I'll add a little bit of water to this thing. So, as you can see, it kind of loosened up a little bit. I'll just tighten it back up to 3,000 pounds there. And again, it'll loosen up and probably go back to 28, and that's a good tension to have. Anywhere from 28 to 3,000, that's worked for me so far. So this here sunburnt beam is going to get cut into stickers. It's got a little bit of sapwood in it and some cracks, so I think it'd be wise to just make this puppy into stickers. I don't want this with the rot in there. That ain't going in my house. I want all good solid stuff, so I have plenty of it. So as you can see, we're going to be doing a lot of milling here. So there's quite a few 20-footers in that pile and over there. Then I got all those logs out there in the distance. Those are all 20-footers. Just gonna take some of the bumps off. Got my stickers. put that new blade on and already hit something, as you can see. See how it kind of did a little nosedive there? So let's cut it with the saw and see what we hit. It's probably pretty old, whatever it is. Maybe it's a bullet. But this was a big tree. This was probably 40 inches or 36 inches in diameter. So this is right in the center. Some metal. I'm not sure what it is, but let's find out here. As you can see, it was a little little lag bolt. So fiddlesticks. And that puppy keeps going down in there, which means this is kind of a toast log. So you know what I'm going to do out of this? Since it's kind of a shit log, it was nice, but it's kind of turned into a shit log. But I'm just gonna go ahead and mill it back at this same surface, and then I'll cut it in half with the chainsaw and use it as a sticker to put my lumber on. Set it on the ground. Okay. I'm just gonna snug it up, tighten it up. Right on. Back in business. So I go really slow through that. Voila. There we go. I think that's fairly level. edges are perfect. Like I say, I took my time. I'm going to be planing all this, so I definitely want to have straight edges so everything kind of buttons together. So go ahead and get this one flipped over and start piecing it apart.